Right, I just want to record a quick video showing, for those that don't know, showing you how to submit a document that you've created in Office 365, like a Word document or whatever it is. Okay, so if we look at my desktop, I'm in my class, 9B, and I've got these assignments that are due, which are a bit late. So I'm going to click on the assignment. There's a turn it in button, but I don't actually want to be doing that yet. I've got to attach my work. So you can see the little link, add work. So I'm going to select that. And at the top, it actually assumes you want to do this all through the cloud. So it gives you the OneDrive. So all you've got to do is if you locate the document that you've saved, you've got to make sure you've saved it. But that's the nice thing about the cloud is it automatically is doing all that. So I then need to just locate the document I've created. So I'm just gonna, I'll just find any old document, doesn't really matter. Document. Right, so I'm going to select that Word document that I've created. I'm just going to say attach. And that's it. Then I can do turn in. If you've added the wrong document, just click on this and say remove. Click the old turn it in. If you've made a mistake and you needed to add another document, do undo turn in. And let's say you didn't want to submit that document anyway, and remove it. So it's simple as that. If you do all your work in the cloud, then it's dead easy to do. If you've got a link to something, you can add a link and give it a link. So if you've created something in something else that you've done, and you've got a web link to it, so I don't know, you've used Google Drive or something, then you can pass a link to the document. But really, if we need to get into the habit of using the Office 365 apps. Okay, so I just want us to make use of the tools we've got. They're accessible. A lot of these are accessible on your phones, particularly Word. You can download that on iOS and Android. Okay, so that's what we're going to do.